What options are we offering to replace a single tooth? Maybe trauma, you knocked out a front tooth when you were a kid and you've been wearing a temporary, what we call a flipper in place. We'll take a CT scan when you come in. We will do an exam to determine is there adequate bone in that area. Normally there is to place a mini implant, but I would recommend the majority of my patients placing a mini implant and a single crown in that area. That way I don't have to damage in a preparation either tooth on the side of the missing space. And anytime we don't have to prepare a tooth and touch a tooth, it's a much better situation. So give us a call, let us take a look, let us take our CT scan, and we will give you a treatment that'll fit your need.